Hey, this is Pharma Packaging. Hey, we got our 3-tier shelving unit here. I already put 2 shelves on, so it comes with 2 side panels. You have 3 of the larger size shelves, and then you have 3 smaller size shelves. So these just slide right in. I got this one in, this one in. We start with the larger size and just line it right up to the slots. Once you get it right lined in, you just slide them right in, and then get the gap right here just to be clean and open so I can put my smaller top shelf in there. So I'm going to take the smaller top shelf, line it right up, get it right in there, lock those in, put one up here, line them up, just slide them real slow, get it in, okay, lock that in. Line it up, lock that in. So now you got your shelving unit here. Okay, so these things are great. You know, if you got candles, you're selling your candles, larger ones, you put smaller ones, or even the little smaller candle lights. You can also take any type of spray materials. Let's say you have your display with some hair products, nail polishes. These are great for nail polish holders. So we have those there. Also, Canna Industry. These are great back displays. So if you have your compliant packaging, you want this in your back of your dispensary, so you at least have a lot of area to show things. These are great. They work good with small little jars, containers. These are also all pharma packaging items. So great, check it out. These are awesome.